How awesome is it to see these young minds, taking this initiative and raising money to help people
Phenomenal.
they don't even know?
It's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, to think that this is the future.
And the future is bright with the hockey players age 8 to 9 from Forest Hill. And as they wait to get back on the ice.
Let me ask you guys this first. How much do you miss being on the ice?
A lot.
They have enrolled in the Young Entrepreneurs Program through Explorer Hop.
The goal of Explorer Hop is to help children learn about entrepreneurship and financial literacy. And in our entrepreneurship program, which is where these kids are enrolled, we teach them how to start initiatives.
The boys have decided to donate the money they raised to the Daily Bread Food Bank.
We chose to donate to Daily Bread Food Bank because a lot of people in these times need food, and Daily Bread does a great job of getting people the food they need.
I think it's important to raise money because some people don't have enough money for food.
The hockey players are using their skills to raise money through GoFundMe on their social media page, Force for Good.
I'm going to teach you how to body check. No!
We have our Instagram account. It's called Force for Good. So we're basically making videos for people to watch and to donate to, and all of that money is going to Daily Bread.
Legs are tied together and keep your glove and blocker up.
But ultimately, the hat trick was creating a business, learning life skills, and most importantly, giving back.
I feel really good about giving food to Daily Food Bank because I want people to stay safe during this.
The boys have crushed their original goal and have raised more than $3,500. Their goal for the food bank now is $5,000. And if you're interested in learning more about the program, head to our website, citynews.ca/extras, where you'll find a link on their GoFundMe page. Brandon Rose, City News.